Unraveling the Phrase, Raincheck. Hey there, ever heard someone use the term Raincheck and wondered what it means? Today, we're diving deep into this interesting English phrase to understand its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Raincheck originates from the world of baseball in the United States. In the past, if a baseball game was postponed due to rain, ticket holders were given a raincheck, which was a replacement ticket for a rescheduled game. Essentially, it meant that even if they couldn't watch the game that day because of the rain, they wouldn't miss out and could come back another day. Today, the term has moved beyond baseball and is used more generally in American English. When someone says they'll take a raincheck, they usually mean that they cannot accept an offer or invitation now but would like to take advantage of it later on. For example, want to go out for coffee? I can't today, but can I take a raincheck? I'm giving you a raincheck on that movie night. I'm just too tired tonight. To help you understand better, here are a few more examples. 1. I'd love to join your party, but I have a meeting. Can I get a raincheck? 2. They offered me a raincheck when the product I wanted was out of stock. 3. Sorry, I can't make it to dinner tonight. Let's take a raincheck and do it next week. So there you have it. Now you not only know what raincheck means but also where it comes from and how to use it in everyday situations. English is filled with such fascinating phrases, and understanding them can make your communication richer and more colorful. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep exploring, and we'll catch you in the next one.